What's up guys, Speedsters here. Today I'm unboxing this VRX Cobra RH818 RC truck. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this. Oh my gosh, that's huge. Guys, this is my first hobby grade RC car. It's crazy.
So this is a 1/8 scale. It's massive.
1/8 scale. Controller, like a rubber feel. It feels perfect. And I'm glad the steering isn't broken. Oh wow. There it is. Oh my gosh.
Well, that's a beaut.
Dang.
Oh my god.
Wow, this
That's
is
massive.
huge, guys.
That's the suspension.
Look at this.
That is amazing.
Perfect.
That's amazing.
And then we got another box here with nothing in it.
Oh, that's cool.
This stuff was probably supposed to go in here.
A very interesting box.
All right, so we have the truck, the charger, the controller, the instruction manual. This is another instruction manual. I think it's in a different language. No, it's just. And then we have stickers that are already on the car. And most of them are out right now. All right, so here's a little size comparison. This is the UDRC Venom boat, and this is the NTH102, and this is Asher's little mini RC car.
I mean, it has a cool
And
paint.
This is the HS Bigfoot Storm truck, and the unboxing video for this will be down below. It doesn't work anymore.
But still, we got it to work in the video, so.
Let's take a look at the inside. All right, there's the inside. This battery is gigantic. Wow, there it is. Feels good. It's a lot bigger than what I'm used to. It's nice, heavy, and hard. There's the motor. Fan-cooled motor. That's really nice. Independent suspension. Here's the bottom. Nice. It's really cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and drive it. Before we get into the driving, I just want to say that it comes with the European plug, and if you're American, you need to have one of these to plug into there. Alright, this is really awesome. Got the battery fully charged. Makes a little sound there.
It's so awesome. Make it go right by us. Okay, move. You're in the way. That's fast and gigantic. Like, just compare it to our hands.
It doesn't look that big when it's on the road.
Yeah, it doesn't, but it's massive.
Small, but when it's right in front of you.
Yeah, if it's on the driveway, it's big.
That suspension is big.
Silas, get it on the driveway. It looks crazy. I mean, it looks crazy big.
Show them.
Okay, yeah, that's how big it is. Excuse me. Guys, can you back up?
That's your big one.
Gabe.
Wait, try popping a wheelie. Save some battery for Dad.
Woo! Oh my gosh, this. So have you gone full throttle at all? Oh, you have. Wait, can we see it? Dang, that's fast.
That was the go.
Did you see the visor?
Now that is worth $250 right there.
You get a lot more than 250 on this.
Oh, Gabe, move. Okay. Oh, you made it.
Where are their dad or mom and dad?
You want to come out too?
Yeah. Okay.
That's amazing.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. This is a really, really nice truck. I definitely recommend this, and the link will be down below in the description. Like, it's a really nice truck. It's got a brushless motor. It's got like more than you would need for just like a $250 truck. The only bad things about it, like the steering it's a little bouncy, but and also it's not very fast. Like whenever you hit the reverse on the controller, it takes a second and then it goes backwards. But I think in all it's a really nice truck.
Yeah, I'm really happy
really
that she
love
got it.
Yeah, I
That's
love this
awesome.
thing. Hee hee!
Hoo-ha! Speedsters out.